In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and link Trello Subtasks. Trello Subtask, automations, 5 minutes. If you've ever wondered how to keep subtasks tidy in Trello, the good news is there are two solid approaches. For quick, lightweight task lists, use checklists right inside a card. For more complex work that needs owners, due dates, and status tracking, you can automate subtasks into linked cards. In this walkthrough, we'll set up a simple automation that adds a checklist to every new card on your board, so your subtasks are consistent and ready the moment work begins. Start by logging into Trello and opening the board where you want this to happen. From the Board menu, click Automation. This opens Trello's built-in automation tool. Choose Create a Rule, or select from the automation options if you already see something close to what you need. Next, set your trigger. A great default is when a card is added, which fires anytime someone creates a new card on this board. You can refine this later to run only when cards are added to a specific list or include a label, but starting broad helps you test quickly. Now choose the action and select Add Checklist to the card. This ensures your subtasks appear automatically without anyone having to remember to paste them in. At this point, you have two choices. You can create a new checklist from scratch, naming it something clear like subtasks, and listing the items you want every time. Or, if you already have a perfect checklist on another card, select the option to copy that checklist over. Using a template card for your master checklist is a great way to keep updates centralized. Just edit the template, and your rule will keep copying the latest version going forward. Save the rule. From now on, any new card created on this board will automatically include the checklist you selected. Create a test card to confirm it's working, and if you see duplicates later, check whether other rules are adding checklists too. A few pro tips as you refine this. Name your checklist consistently so teammates recognize it. Narrow the trigger by list or label to avoid clutter on cards that don't need subtasks. And keep the subtask list short and action-oriented. When your projects grow and you need richer tracking, explore the automation actions that turn checklist items into linked cards, perfect for assigning owners and due dates while keeping everything connected. That's it. Clean, reliable subtasks in Trello on autopilot.